This is my 2-second improvement for our whiteboard markers and whiteboard cleaner in the boardroom. So current state is the markers live on this cabinet, which in fact is fully empty and exists in this spot really at the moment solely for the purpose of holding these. Seems like a little bit of a waste. The other challenge is that if you put the markers this way, they are not very stable because this cabinet is on ground that is at an angle. So here's my improvement. So here we have the after. So we've taken a box and we've affixed it to the wall with command strips. So there's 2 compartments, one for the cleaner, one for the markers. And then in that spot where we had the cabinet, we've actually just moved it because it was empty, and now we've got this great open space, which was quite surprising. So fix what bugs you and keep on being lean.